Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to sign out of the Netflix app. So let's dive right in. Open the Netflix app on your smart device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Opening the Netflix application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, look for the profile that says My Netflix and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the option represented by 3 lines and click on it. Clicking on those 3 lines will open a small window at the bottom of the screen with the offered option. Look for the Sing Out option and click on it. The application will also open a small window where it will inform you that if you sign out, you will also be signed out from all devices. If you still want to sign out of the Netflix application, all you have to do is click on the Sing Out option. Once you confirm, you will be published from your Netflix account. And that's all. By following these simple steps, you can sign out of the Netflix app quickly and securely. Whether you're editing or letting someone else use your account, this is the way to do it. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.